Keeping large vehicles clean can feel like a never-ending task, especially when dirt, black streaks, and road grime quickly take away from their appearance. This premium RV wash and wax is designed to change that experience by combining powerful cleaning performance with surface protection in one convenient formula. From the very first wash, it delivers visible results that make your RV, boat, or vehicle look refreshed, well cared for, and ready for the road. Formulated as a true 2-in-1 product, this wash and wax removes tough contaminants such as black streaks, dried bugs, bird droppings, road film, and everyday dirt while simultaneously leaving behind a protective shine. Instead of spending extra time applying a separate wax, the surface is coated during the wash, saving effort while still achieving a clean, glossy finish. This makes it especially practical for larger surfaces where efficiency matters. Versatility is one of its strongest advantages. The formula works effectively on RVs, cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, snowmobiles, and more. Whether you are maintaining a fiberglass RV, painted vehicle panels, or recreational equipment, it cleans safely without damaging the surface. The biodegradable, non-abrasive formula is safe for clear coats, expensive paint finishes, and decals, giving you confidence every time you wash. Beyond cleaning, the wash leaves a non-oily, anti-static, and water-repellent coating that helps protect surfaces from UV exposure and environmental elements. This added layer makes future cleaning easier by reducing dirt adhesion while maintaining a bright, polished look. The finish is clean and dry to the touch, without greasy residue or streaking when used as directed. Easy to use and designed for real-world conditions, this premium RV wash and wax is an ideal solution for owners who want professional-looking results without complicated routines. If you are looking for a practical way to keep your RV or vehicles clean, protected, and looking their best, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable products that make vehicle care simpler and more effective.